Hi and welcome back to Tech. Today's product is a USB cup warmer slash cooler that I found on the internet for $20. I was looking for a product that could keep my drink cool in the summer and warm in the winter. I found this solution for $20. Let's get it out of the box and see what we have to deal with. First out of the box we get the cooling slash heating unit and we get some paper. Here we have the product straight out of the box. On top of the product we have easy operation, a toggle between cool and warm. We also have a fan here. Here we got the metal plate where you put your cup or can or whatever. This plate goes up to 60 degrees Celsius and down to 15. This unit also comes with high quality ABS plastic. This unit only consumes 3.5 watts since it's powered by USB, and the USB cable is about 1 meter long. It's important to notice that this is made to keep a drink cool or keep it warm, not to cool something or heat something up. And of course, metal cans or a metal mug will work best since metal transfers heat. Let's do a simple test with a normal teacup and see if it holds my tea warm. As you can see, the water is at 52 degrees Celsius. Let's see how many degrees it drops after 10 minutes. Time's up. After 10 minutes, it dropped from 52 degrees Celsius to 48. That's about 4 degrees. Let's see how many degrees it drops without the cup warmer. Time's up. After 10 minutes, it dropped 6 degrees instead of 4 degrees, which is a little better with the heater, but it's not very impressive. Let's sum up the USB cup warmer slash cooler. As you could tell by our hot water test, it didn't perform as expected. I also tried it with a metal can with the cooling feature and it didn't do anything for my beverage. All in all, this product is not worth your money and I've decided to give this a 3 out of 10. That's all for today, but be sure to tune in next week for more product reviews. Until then, comment, like and subscribe and hit that bell. See ya!